My name is Ole Kassim, and this is my dream. Uh, as you can see, my dream is to become a great fine artist in future, and I'm trying to fight hard and to work hard on my artwork, and this is what I'm up to. So I'm really very happy to speak to you right now, and this is what I came to with. Uh, I'm trying my luck to become a good fine artist in future, and at least I want to do better than this one. As you can see, this is what I did. Yeah, so thanks. I'm trying my level, and I've at least acquired a little experience about it, and at least I can do something, and I'm really very happy for that. So for those people outside there, if you're having a talent, you must expose it so that you be good in your future. And to be perfect, you must work hard every time. So I'm really very happy for this. Thanks.